In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo email sent in Outlook. We'll start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. Once you're signed in, click New Mail to compose a message. Enter the recipient's address in the To field, add a clear subject line, and type your message in the body. When you're ready, click Send. Right after you send, look toward the bottom of the window. You'll see a small undo option appear. This is your safety net. It delays the delivery for a short period so you can cancel if you spot a mistake. Click Undo before the timer runs out, and your message will pop back into draft mode so you can fix anything and send again. If that undo option disappears too quickly, you can make it stay visible longer. In the upper right corner of Outlook, click the gear icon to open Settings. In the menu, choose Mail. Next, select Compose and Reply. Scroll until you find Undo Send. You'll see a slider that controls how long Outlook waits before it actually delivers your message. Drag the slider to set the delay you prefer, up to 30 seconds, then click Save. From now on, after you hit Send, the undo option will remain available for the time you chose, giving you a longer window to cancel. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. The undo feature is a send delay, not a true recall of a message that's already reached someone's inbox. If the countdown ends, the email goes out and can't be pulled back using this method. Pick a delay that balances safety and speed. 30 seconds provides a comfortable buffer, but it also means every email waits that long to leave your outbox. Keep an eye on the banner at the bottom after sending, and click Undo promptly if you need it. When you do, review your draft, correct the recipient, subject, or content as needed, and then send again with confidence. If you don't see the Undo banner, double-check that you're using the updated Outlook interface in your browser and that the feature is enabled in Settings. It's also a good idea to test with a quick message to yourself to confirm the timing you chose feels right before relying on it for important emails. You've just learned how to send an email in Outlook, use the undo option to stop it, and customize the undo send window so it works the way you want.